Hello everyone, my name is Tapasya and today we'll be learning about the excretory system. So the excretory system is basically the process of the removal of the unwanted and toxic waste from the body. The main part of the excretory system is the kidneys. The kidneys are in the shape of kidney beans, of course, and they're brick red in color. The left kidney is placed slightly above the right one. Now let's see the functions. The main function of kidney is that it cleans the blood and separates the waste from the body. And the second function is that it maintains the water balance in our body, which is certainly very important. Now let's talk about the structure of kidneys. So the structure of kidney is divided into two regions, the outer region and the inner region. The outer region is called as the cortex, and the inner region, these brown structures here, are called as the medullas. This is the renal vein and this is the renal artery. There is a cavity which is called as the renal pelvis. It is present in the inner concave of the kidneys, which opens up into the ureters. Now we have the next part, which is what happens when a kidney fails. So a person can live a healthy life with one functional kidney, but if both of them stop working, then the toxic waste in our body have to stay there itself and cannot be removed, which can also lead to the death of the person. There are some of treatments for the kidney failure. Some of them are like dialysis and kidney transplant. So dialysis is basically when we separate the toxic waste from the blood by cleaning it. And if a person has kidney failure, then they have to go to the hospital to perform dialysis. The next one, which is kidney transplant. Kidney transplant is basically if one of your kidneys stops working, then it can be replaced with another healthy one from another person, and both of the people can live a healthy life with one functional kidney. Now let's move on to the common disorders that occur in the renal excretory system. Some of them are like urinary tract infection, which you can also call as UTI, and kidney stones. So let's start with the urinary tract infection. So the urinary tract infection is basically caused because there's a bacteria called as E. coli, which is full form is Escherichia coli. It is usually found in your small intestine to produce vitamin B and vitamin K, which is highly requested by your body. But if the E. coli bacteria goes to your urinary tract, then it can cause this disease. It mostly occurs in females than males. Now some of their symptoms is that there is a strong and frequent urge to urinate, and while you're urinating there is a burning sensation. Their cure is that if you take some antibiotics, it'll heal in 2-3 days if it's mild, but if it's severe, then it may take more time. Now some preventions are that you can drink sufficient amount of water and maintain personal hygiene. Now we have kidney stones. So kidney stones basically is that the hard mineral deposits get stuck in your ureters. So how does this happen? So there are some crystal forming substances like calcium oxalate, calcium phosphate, and uric acid. So basically they combine together to form hard mineral deposits which move to your ureters and block the flow of urine, which gives severe abdominal pain. Main cause of this is that you're eating too much of calcium in your diet and not drinking sufficient amount of water. These are some of the reasons why you can get kidney stones. Now some of the cure is that the large kidney stones, they can be removed by surgeries, whereas the small ones, you can just drink simple amount of water and they will go away with your urine. Now we have the preventions. Some of the preventions are that you can drink a sufficient amount of water. That's it. Thank you. Hope you take a lot of knowledge away with this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!